Yeah. Alright, I locked my shit. Oh, this is good. This thing runs, which is always a good day.
You gonna learn today.
There's air in my tires. I think it should be fine, right? But it just feels like, I don't want to say staggered, but it feels like a little, I don't know, it just feels weird. It doesn't feel like it used to feel. Yeah, they should be able to do something though. Oh, fuck me. God, trucks always scare me whenever they pass. But as soon as you start messing with fuel, like, that's just not a good sign. Oh, hey! Who are you? Hi! Should we catch him? Aww. Hi, little R3. And he's just running away. I would always have a jar of pickles. Like when I was heavily drinking, I would always have a jar of pickles in the fridge. And like, I'm not even, like, I would eat the pickles, I would drink the pickle juice. Holy shit. Something just went, I don't know. The bike just shut off. Nope. Yeah, you go. Am I missing a chain or something? Bro, what? Oh, I'm just going to this spot. Oh, God. Dude, this thing just went. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it just shut off. Why am I looking at the chain? Because that was my first inclination. I was like, oh, dude, I'm fucked. Like, chain fell off or something. But then it would have been, like, way worse than that. I didn't hit the kill switch.
Yeah, I just did that my left right side. That was the first thing I thought of. But, like, it's on.
Oh, yeah, everything was on. Let's see. Nah, dude. Oh, yeah, to do the power commander thing. But I'm trying to think. I'm like, oh, shit. Holy shit. Oh, dude. That shouldn't do that. Yeah. Dude, that should not do that. Bro, what? Dude, this is horrible memories, man. Holy shit. Like, dude, I got nothing on the dash now. My question is where these bolts go, bro. I'm gonna stop riding with you, man. This is the second time. I'm gonna have to ride on the back of your shit.
I hope you're ready to ride. Oh, dude, I get to hold on tight. Hey, man. We could be a lot further, too. I know. We could be in fucking Starved Rock. Yeah, we could be in Boofu right now. Always just popping back out of that. Let me try a bump start. The engine turns over, but nothing tells it to keep running. Ready for a passenger?
Dude, there's no way there's a warranty left on this. I mean, look at it. No warranty. Yes, yeah. No warranty. They're gonna laugh at me, be like, really? All right, dude, let me get my seat ready. Oh, man, this is... Oh, I ripped my pants. No. I ripped my pants. Oh, dude, today. This is so, this is so weird. Oh. All right, you do your thing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is what friends are for.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let me tell you about my best friend.
Wow. Oh. Oh. If this happens again, then I may sell this motorcycle. There we go. Spin that way. There we go. Thank you. I hate to say it, but we getting good at this. Oh. Still there.
Just as purdy and just as broken.
Just as broken. Yeah, if this turns on, I'm gonna be really angry. All right. No kill switch, right? Wait for it. No. We go. Yep. I don't want to go straight for fucking pulling this shit apart. Huh?
Where's your problem?
Yeah? This it?
Well, so far.
Holy fuck. Yeah, take one of them spares. Dude, no way. If you can even...
Oh yeah, you can.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can.
There you go.
That's why I was like, there's your problem right there.
Bro, wait. Oh, don't even. Don't even. Don't even.
So hold on.
Bro, don't
I
even.
think that was.
That was. Which one was that?
I think it was the third to last.
Bro, if we could. Okay, so the dash is still on. Okay. So the dash comes on, right? Everything seems to function as usual, right? Kill switch, everything. I don't know why, but I went somewhere on here to turn down the volume of the exhaust because I thought it would turn it down. So we could have done this shit in the parking lot.
Well, these fuses are not necessarily the easiest to pull out either, to be honest. That's why I was like, I'm trying, I'm like, let me just grab a plier. But technically, yeah, we could have pulled all 10 and just checked it out. Yeah.
I bet you want to know what happened. And truthfully, I do too. Because I don't know exactly what happened, but I've got some thoughts. And now the bike is running because we replaced fuse number 2. And this fuse right here, I know you can't see it in this, but this fuse popped. And this fuse number 2 is actually the clock, ignition, and EFI control unit fuse. So I'm assuming that the clock function, why the dash wasn't showing up, obviously because this fuse is popped, the ignition and EFI or electronic fuel injection wasn't actually turning the bike over. So that sort of makes sense. Again, my first inclination, easily Power Commander. I mean, I've gone through this before. It's the start of the season. I've had this thing on a battery tender for a while. But then I thought I was riding it just fine and it just shut off like that. I mean, literally on the road. and I've ridden it before once, which was what, last week? So it couldn't be that, or at least I wouldn't think it would be that. Is it bad fuel? I mean, all these different things came to mind, especially in that moment, and we couldn't figure out how to pull this fuse, or even that it was the fuse. But then I really started thinking about it, and let me walk you through this. Here, hold on. So over the winter, I use this little kind of adapter thingy to plug in to the battery itself, so I can leave the battery in the bike and then simply just plug it into the tender. And when I do that, I have to remove a few things. That being this little red piece here that actually covers the negative and positive terminal on this side of the bike. But I think what I did in actuality is I forgot to take that dongle off, because I take it off every year before I ride, and I think I forgot to tighten the bolts on the metal piece that holds the ECU to the battery. So I'm assuming the bolts were either just like finger tight in there, or I just forgot them completely, and that plate literally shifted, fell, hit the positive terminal of the battery, and shorted the system out, just because there's not that plastic cover on there. But at the same time, I don't think that's what happened, because then a lot more fuses would have gone out. So, here, hold on. So that's where I still don't know what exactly happened. We found the issue, we got the bike to run. I haven't ridden it since because it was just far too late, and quite frankly, I just want to go to bed. So I'm gonna give it a shot sometime this week to get out and ride it again. Everything seems to be working properly, but then again, I just don't know. If you think you know what may be the issue and what may have caused fuse number 2 on this 690 SMC R to short itself, break the connection, do whatever fuses do to destroy themselves, let me know in the comments down below. And I guess it was a pretty fun adventure today. A huge shout out to my buddy, because he is the master mechanic. He knows everything electrically, and he is much better at what he does than what I do. And also he's got a 690 Duke, so I mean, come on, 690 gang for sure. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope this bike doesn't give me any issues this season. I feel like I've started a lot of these seasons off with issues, and I don't want to do that anymore. I really don't. I mean, the bike is beautiful. I want it to run great. It should run just as good as it looks. So I'm hoping we'll get there. But then again, we'll just have to find out. Until next time, remember, keep riding.